going to try to make this a quick and short video, but this is the Heritage Rough Rider, and I'm going to be showing you how to change the cylinder out of it and put your 22 Magnum cylinder in it. And this should work with almost all their models. Okay, first you want to make sure it's unloaded. By doing that, you half cock, rotate, make sure it's always pointing safe duration, finger off the trigger, but this gun is unloaded. Okay, you want to press this button in and pull this rod. So I'm going to press the button in, pull the rod. Open this, and the cylinder will fall out. Now you can grab your new cylinder, the 22 Magnum, or another one of these. And you want to make sure that this part is facing the hammer. That's facing the front. So it's going to slide in here from the back. It just falls into place. Just falls in there, so I'll show again. Just falls in there. Okay, when you go to put your rod back in, you gotta press the button down to get started. Okay, then if you have issues getting the rod to go though, like right now it's not wanting to go, just half cock it a little bit, play it so you can move the cylinder around now with the hammer back, and you can just slide it in the rest of the way. And to make sure it works, half cock it and rotate, make sure everything's right, make sure it's tight, reload it and try to shoot it. And now you know how to change the cylinder on your 22 Heritage. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Check out some other content we got, and if you have any questions, any of that stuff, leave it.
She's like, Papa.